to Coding Introduction Part 5. Today's class is about how to control the animated objects that we created in the last class. I think I had mentioned this in the previous video. So let's get into it. Make sure you're ready with your code.org editor.
So I hope you all remember about the last class. Our last class was how to give velocity to the animated object. So my object was an animation alien. So you can see that it is moving. So that was our last class. So today's class is about how to control this animated object with the 4 arrow keys present in your keyboard. So first we will be giving it the up arrow key function. So I have already written it. This is an if condition, if function you can say, but we'll be giving it as if condition. So if key down, that means if we are pressing the up arrow, key down up arrow. So if we are pressing the up arrow, now inside the curly bracket we have to give the condition. So if we are pressing the up arrow, the animation should move up. So that is what we are going to give. So we are going to give the velocity as velocity equal to, don't forget it is velocity x, or we will just do one thing, we will drag and drop it. That will be very easy for beginners. So velocity y, because up arrow means it should go up, so up means it is the y axis, so velocity y. Instead of sprite we will be giving our object name alien, then equal to we will be giving negative 1, maybe negative 1. So now let's check whether it is working or not. Now as you can see, I will be pressing the up arrow and you can see that the animation has moved towards the up. So that's it for up arrow. But you can see one thing, that if I am pressing the up arrow, it is moving continuously. That should not happen. So I'll be giving the velocity 0 inside the function draw. So I'll just copy this and paste it inside the function draw, so that things won't happen. That means it won't go continuously. It will stop when we press it and take it off. So let's check whether it is working. Now you can see that the animation is in the center itself. Now I'm going to press the up arrow. Let's check what happens. You can see that the animation is moving up a little by little. Yeah, so that is it. I'll just make the velocity a bit more bigger. Now let's check. As you can see, the animation is moving whenever I am pressing the up arrow. Now the same function we will be writing is it 4 times, because we need up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow. So I will copy it and paste it 3 more times. And we will just change the necessary things. So here we need down arrow. Instead of up, we will be writing down in caps lock letters. And here alien dot velocity y should be positive 1. If it should go down, it should be positive, and if it should go up, it should be negative. Then key down, here instead of up, we will be writing left in caps lock letters. And here one change is there. Alien dot velocity y. Instead of velocity y, we will be giving alien dot velocity x. X should be negative or positive. Here it should be going to the left. So that means we should give positive 1. Now here key down, instead of up, we'll be writing right in caps lock letters. And here also instead of velocity y, we will be giving x. And here instead of negative 1, it should be negative 1 itself, because if it should go right, it should go to the right axis, right x axis, so it should be negative. Now let's check whether all the 4 keys are working or not. So first I'm going to press the up arrow. As you can see, it is going up. I will make the velocity a little bit more bigger so that it will be more faster. So now you can see that the velocity, if we are giving it up velocity, it is going towards the up, because we have given as the y velocity as negative -1. So it is going up. Now I'm going to press the left arrow key and let's check what it is happening. So it is working, but it is going towards the right when I'm pressing the left arrow. So here we will give it as -1 and here we will give it as +1. Now let's check it whether it is working or not. I'm pressing the up arrow. Now I'm pressing the left arrow. Now I'm pressing the down arrow and now the right. So as you can see, all the 4 arrows are working. All the 4 arrows are working now. So this is how we can control an animated object, which will be very useful in your next projects and games that you're going to make.
So that's it for today's class. I hope you all understood today's concept. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you find this video interesting. So see you in the next class. Bye.